Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change your name on Fortnite. So since Fortnite is linked with Epic Games, you need to come to Epic Games website if you want to change your Fortnite username. For this, first you need to search for Epic Games. If you search for Epic Games on your browser, click on the first link. It'll take you to the official website of Epic Games. Now from over here, make sure to log into your Epic Games account. Once you log into your Epic Games account, click on your Epic Games profile picture at the top right corner and click on where it says account. Now once you're inside account, it's going to take you to the account setting page of your Epic Games. Over here, make sure you're in the account settings section and you will see your display name. So whatever name is being shown over here is going to be shown on your Fortnite. So click on this pen icon and over here enter your new display name. After you enter your new display name, click on this. So it basically means that you cannot change your name for 2 weeks. So if you change your display name, you cannot change it again for at least 2 weeks. So if you're okay with that, click and confirm, and basically your display name of Epic Games will change. And since Fortnite is linked with Epic Games, your Fortnite display name will also be changed. That is how you guys can change your Fortnite name. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.